Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we're going to talk about improving your credit score. Some of you out there may have a bad credit score and you may need help with it. We have help. Smart Credit. I do this video about once every 1 month to 1.5 months. But they are always updating their information to help you. And because the Federal Reserve does certain things like reduce interest rates, that's how you can get interest rates or transfer of balances to another location that has a lower interest rate. There's all kind of options that will come up over the next year and a half. So in order to monitor your credit, the number one spot, Smart Credit. In order to change your credit and help it out, number one credit monitoring service, Smart Credit. We're going to go over that and so much more. And welcome. Stop Struggling Now gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. Once again, you may have noticed I didn't do the normal intro, but you know we're going there, right? We have to go to the Stop Struggling Now podcast YouTube channel page. You know we have to do this. Why? Because I like when our members are shown courtesy of YouTube, a few of them over here on the right-hand side. And as a member of the channel, you receive special messages under the community tab. You receive 1 or 2 videos per month specifically for you. You also are the only ones that can be in the chat room on the Wednesday night live streams and more. So make sure you sign up as a member if you'd like to, but don't forget to subscribe for free and click the all notification bell. There's something else that I've been working on lately because I want everybody to see that I haven't lost my mind when I say please sign up on our Instagram channel. Now, once again, you see now we're at 918 followers. But if you were on the live stream, you would have noticed there was at one time 919 followers. We can't just seem to get over 919. And then for whatever reason, Instagram removes followers. So we always drop back to under somewhere between 914 and 919. So please, if you have not already, go sign up on our Instagram channel. It is Stop Struggling Now on Instagram. That would be greatly appreciated. We're also doing live streams on Monday and Friday night, which is also part of our YouTube live stream. Will be streamed at Instagram from now on as well. So let's get into it, shall we? We're going to play a video specifically for you from Smart Credit. Let's go.
Why choose Smart Credit? Because we believe you are more than your credit score. That's why we don't just show you your credit score, we show you your potential future credit score alongside it with a personalized 120-day plan so you can achieve your best score.
But what does achieving your future score really mean? Well, if you're buying a car for $35,000, a 41-point increase in your credit score can save you $7,000. And for a $500,000 mortgage, the difference of 61 points could save you $48,000 over the course of the loan. That's more money in your pocket.
Here's what our customers have to say.
My credit score has increased 266 points. That's amazing.
Because by using Smart Credit, you work smarter, not harder. Smart Credit is a one-stop shop for all things impacting your credit score. You'll take one-click actions to address negative items impacting your score, get optimized payment schedules to further help your score, and receive personalized credit and loan offers and 24/7 credit monitoring and alerts for suspicious activity. Ready to get started? Gain credit confidence and reach your financial goals. Sign up today.
All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I want to thank you so much for being here. And will we get into it? Yes. this is what it looks like when you log in. Here is your credit score. There's a tracker. All right. This is just a demo. Score tracker, 755. Now, if you go into score tracker, this is very cool because it doesn't just have your credit score. It has your auto score for your FICO 8. It has your insurance score, and for your hiring of a job, the hiring risk index. All these are very valuable. If you have the premium account, you will be able to see all three of the major credit bureaus. So that is pretty special as well. And again, you can go track down here all of your scores. Nothing too cute. I like this. Nice and simple. So we go back, go to Score Builder. So some of you don't realize by paying on your due date is not the best thing to do. So Score Builder, free with your membership, you can do 120 days to better your score. So you can put that in like you want to go out 120 days and what your goal is. So again, I love how they have this set up. Here is your goal, 755 to get to 815, and then review. This is some new features that they kind of put in over the last few months. And about your score, how your credit score is used. So again, this is giving information in case you don't know how credit is being used against you or for you. You can go look. And again, your accounts are here so you can see those. This is very, very cool in my opinion. Notice it just takes you right through it. There's nothing that you have to do. No negative accounts reported. Alert status 50%. This is something else that they came up with. So again, this is something we all strive for, but it doesn't unfortunately mean you can stop working in order to keep your report free from negatives. You need to protect yourself against identity theft. Now, the identity theft program is cool, so we'll get into that as well. You and your family could be protected and helped just by being or having this the smart credit system. Other things you should do: connect your alert to your phone, check your credit repair, add all your online banking. All right, so done. Simple. That helps you out. Score Boost. This is, since you know your score builder, how about we want to boost our credit score up, which is why a lot of people may be here. And again, remember that 812 example, I believe it was. So again, you know exactly where you stand, and they can tell you other things. Now see this view all offers. Okay, I'll just go there. I didn't really want to go into this because this goes to My Lona. This is right here up at the top. You can click on this, and here comes some offers for you that self-populates based on your credit score, somewhat like some other credit, facilities that do this as well. So they recommend apply for these. Again, look at this ridiculous interest rates. I do not recommend getting any loans if you can avoid them, unless they are kind of good for you. In other words, you can transfer a balance or pay off something and get like 12 months or 15 or 18 months at 0% interest. So that way, any payment that you make towards that balance to get it down is a zero interest, which is much better than having an interest rate. So that's the only thing I will recommend, because after this next 3 years, it's going to be very, very bad. That's all I can tell you. All right. That means the cost of living is going to increase no matter where you live, no matter who you are, because we live in a capitalist system. So keep all of that in mind when you are out here thinking about getting credit. All right. That's all I want to tell you at this point. Just make sure you're doing what you need to do. Once again, this helps you with negatives, helps you go over your accounts. This is what you should be looking at. I'm going to skip, so this won't be too long of a video, but here's the 1 million identity fraud insurance that also comes along when you pay your monthly fee. Full coverage for your whole family, free with your membership. But that full coverage for your whole family is based on certain things. It's the number 2, zero deductible, which is cool. Covers your entire family residing in your household. So if you live at 112 Oak Avenue, and that's what your credit report says, and that's what you have on file here, the only way your household is included is whoever lives at your 111 Oak Avenue. If the family member lives in another residence and has another address, then they will not be covered for this $1 million identity fraud insurance, which makes it pretty cool. And look what it covers too. Covers your bank, savings, brokerage, lines of credit, credit card, and more. Covers your cash out-of-pocket expenses incurred in your ID recovery. Covers your credit reports. Covers pre-existing identity fraud that you didn't know about, replacement costs due to stolen driver's license, replacement costs due to stolen passport, and insurance provided by Voyager Indemnity and Assurance Specialty Property Company. There you go. So it's that sweet, that easy. And I'll have a link down below in the description box where you can actually sign up. It is an affiliate link, so please use it. And I will go also to alerts. You can put alerts into your account. So that's another way that you can stay on top of it. In case there's activity on your account, you can actually lock it in so you get a text message from Smart Credit. So hopefully I went over this nice and short and sweet, and the alerts page didn't come up. But nonetheless, hopefully you guys understand what we're trying to do here with Smart Credit, and hopefully you sign up if you need this service and get back right if you're not right with your credit score at the moment. And with all that said, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And I know it's hard out here, and you know what's going to happen. Like I mentioned earlier, it's going to have a cost increase, because there's going to be buying with credit, because the interest rate's coming down, and because there will be a demand on buying certain products and services. This also means prices could go up because of the demand. It's capitalism. And with all that said, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.